This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q5 versus the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Both of these luxury SUVs offer impressive performance, but with distinct characteristics. The Audi Q5 delivers 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque from its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. It achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.8 seconds. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio, however, edges it out with 280 horsepower and 306 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.4 seconds. Stepping inside, both SUVs offer luxurious cabins, but with different approaches to technology and design. The Audi Q5 showcases a modern, tech-forward interior with a large 14.5-inch MMI touch display and an available 10.9-inch passenger screen. The Stelvio, on the other hand, provides a driver-focused cockpit with an 8-inch or 12.3-inch infotainment screen and a distinct Italian flair. Both models feature comfortable leather seating and a suite of advanced safety features. When it comes to practicality, cargo and passenger space are key considerations. The Audi Q5 provides approximately 26 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, expanding to about 54 cubic feet with the seats folded down. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio offers 18.5 cubic feet behind its rear seats, but impressively expands to 56.5 cubic feet when those seats are folded. The Q5 generally offers more rear legroom for passengers, making it a comfortable choice for longer journeys. Considering value, both the Audi Q5 and Alfa Romeo Stelvio start in a similar price range, with the Q5 around $52,200 and the Stelvio at about $52,245. The Q5 offers a more refined and technologically advanced experience, while the Stelvio delivers a more spirited and engaging drive with its distinctive Italian styling. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize cutting-edge tech and comfort or a truly passionate driving feel. Be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.